Spotify Camp Nou is entering a major new phase of its transformation, with visible progress reshaping the stadium's future look. The Tribuna area is becoming more defined, while the first decorative llamas are now clearly visible on the facade. Roofworks are also moving forward, with diamond structures and upper sections steadily taking shape. In today's update, we'll cover all the key developments from across the stadium. Today, we begin our tour from the Tribuna side of Spotify Camp Nou, where construction progress remains clearly visible across multiple sections. The structural cores are becoming increasingly defined, offering a much clearer view of the future appearance of this side of the stadium. Activity remains constant throughout the area, with workers and equipment actively contributing to the transformation. One of the most exciting developments can be seen around the future FC Barcelona Megastore. Construction continues moving forward at a strong pace, while large quantities of materials are being organized across the esplanade. The project is becoming increasingly prominent and is already beginning to shape the future visitor experience outside the stadium. Around the basketball court sector and nearby entrances, work continues to focus on preparing the surrounding infrastructure. These areas are gradually being developed to support smoother access and improved circulation for supporters once the stadium is fully operational. One of the most anticipated milestones has finally arrived at Spotify Camp Nou. The first decorative vertical llamas are now being installed in the goal sur sector, marking a major step in the stadium's exterior transformation. More llamas are already appearing across the facade, giving supporters a clearer glimpse of the final design. Combined with the ongoing compression ring works in the background, Goal Sur is quickly becoming one of the most impressive construction zones at Camp Nou. Ascending to the third tier now, where the intensity of the works currently underway is both physically impressive and structurally monumental in its significance for the roof timeline that every cooler has been watching so closely. The works at the third tier are genuinely intense. Right now, the crews have been preparing substantial quantities of formworks to support the upcoming ring boxes and flanges that are going to be installed as the compression ring continues its advance around the upper tier. Alongside the formwork preparation, the crews are also working on the pillars that are going to hold the ring boxes in position to support the upcoming roof structure. These pillars are foundational to the structural integrity of the entire roof system and will serve as permanent anchor points for the roof framework. The roof structure at the Camp Nou is building toward its most productive and most dramatic phase yet. The crews are currently constructing a ramp, a proper engineered access pathway at the entrance crossing. The reason for that ramp is directly connected to the absence of matches this summer. During the season, the entrance pathways and crossing zones of the stadium need to be configured for the safe, comfortable, and efficient movement of fans on match days. But this summer, with no matches scheduled and the stadium fully dedicated to the construction effort, those same pathways can be reconfigured for the movement of heavy machinery and construction vehicles. The ramp being built at the entrance crossing is specifically designed to allow trucks and machinery to enter the site easily, providing smooth and reinforced access for ongoing construction operations. At the first mobility core on the second level, sandwich panel installation is actively underway. New panels have been added to the left side since the previous week's footage. You can see the coverage expanding when you compare the two, with work continuing on the right side. Metal alignment rods hang from above to keep the panels straight during placement. The panels themselves have yellow-colored insulation cores, and some of the corner edges still require the small metal fixing pieces that ultimately support the lamella anchors. Several elevated platforms are working simultaneously on fitting and preparation. No lamella anchors have been placed at this mobility core yet, but the panel coverage that needs to exist before those anchors go in is getting there. The lateral zone has a different kind of progress to show and a logistical detail worth understanding. Construction continues moving quickly around the first diamond structure. Earlier today, another box section was lifted into place, while the remaining radial beam was also installed. The structure is now clearly entering its final stages. Surveyors remain active on site, and the area around the second diamond has been cleared to prepare for upcoming construction phases. Additional materials are also arriving, reflecting the steady pace of work across this sector. Meanwhile, ceramic llama installation continues progressing on the facade, while recent LED lighting tests have provided an early glimpse of the stadium's future visual experience. Together, these developments highlight the constant progress taking place throughout Spotify Camp Nou. Construction remains highly active between the Lateral and Goal Nord sectors. Materials, equipment, and work platforms can be seen throughout the site as preparations continue for future roof installation. At the heart of this progress is the compression ring, which keeps expanding and remains one of the most impressive engineering achievements of the entire renovation. Additional support elements are now being installed across the Goal Nord facade. These structures will soon support the decorative ceramic llamas that will define much of the stadium's final appearance. Work crews continue advancing across multiple levels, bringing new sections closer to completion. Inside the bowl, construction activity continues gaining momentum. Several seating sections are progressing through concrete works, helping shape the future configuration of the stadium. With each passing week, the final form of Spotify Camp Nou becomes more recognizable. From elevated viewpoints, the future commercial zones surrounding the stadium are becoming easier to identify. Alongside the FC Barcelona Megastore, construction materials and sandwich panels are visible around the future cafe area, highlighting the simultaneous progress being achieved across the wider complex. On the second level, cantilever block wall construction is progressing in multiple locations inside the stadium skeleton. One section is clearly more advanced than the others. Scaffolding has been erected and workers are active at height. What these block walls will eventually become, bathrooms, plant rooms, or service spaces, has not been confirmed on site, but the pace of work suggests it is a priority. Across the upper sections of the stadium, activity on the third cantilever has increased noticeably, with crane movement and elevated platform work visible throughout. Safety nets are being installed in the south goal corner area to protect workers on lower levels from falling materials, a sign of just how much simultaneous overhead activity is taking place in that zone right now. The summary makes clear how much ground was covered this week. Finally, the parking zone along the lateral side of the stadium is functioning as the primary material yard for the project right now. It is stacked with formwork for the pillar and radial beamwork, compression ring components, staged beams, and more. All of it is held here because the goal and tribuna areas simply do not have the floor space. One radial beam on the lateral side still needs to be installed. New compression ring pieces are not expected to come to this zone. The logic is that anything arriving now will go straight to the Goal Sur area, to keep that section moving rather than making a two-stage journey. On the first cantilever above, some welding activity was observed in one zone, with sandwich panels stacked along the lateral section where installation has begun. The block wall work above tells us something about what is coming inside. At the start of this video, the question was whether you could see a finished building starting to emerge from all this steel and formwork. And this week, the honest answer is yes, you can. The escalators landing in the Tribuna, the slats arriving at Goal Sur with anchors ready, the lamella supports climbing up the north goal corner. These aren't preparation updates, they're fit-out updates. The compression ring is joining up across both goal zones. The rebar work resuming at the diamond corner is a reminder that the structural story isn't over, but the facade story is beginning. As Spotify Camp Nou moves closer to its final vision, we'll continue tracking every major development across the site. Subscribe for the latest construction updates and exclusive on-site progress reports.